Hello everyone, welcome to this news postcard. Recently, a man caused the traffic accident due to the poor visibility while driving at night. The transportation department installed the solar star, improved the road safety. Please see the details below.
Hello everyone, this is the location where the incident occurred. The driver, Mr. Lee, failed to see the road clearly and crashed into the traffic barriers due to the insufficient light. According to this issue, the transportation department has installed solar stars on the road. The solar stars glows automatically at night, very bright and safe. The accident rate on this road has decreased.
The solar star application is already popular all over the world. We also hope that everyone can pay attention to the driving safety and use the solar star to make the road brighter and drive safer. That's all of the news reports today. Thank you for your watching.